What's up, guys? So today I'll be trying to defeat people in 2v2 because there's no way I'll win this by myself. Like, I got this idea from B-Rad, by the way. We're just gonna try to defeat people with dumb decks, and this is part 1. Maybe I'll do more. I don't know. But this is the deck we're using. Firecracker cycle. So yeah, hopefully we win one. Yeah, we'll probably test out like one more dumb deck in this video. Maybe. Okay, I can't promise that. But yeah, let's get into the game. Okay, so this is going off to a great start. Oh my God. This is no, this is not real. I'm not even lying, this is actually my first try. Actually, recording this is my first try. Bro, let's go! We go Mega Knights! This is the exact reason we got out of my way! Frick. You know, if I we're gonna try to do some Firecracker. Okay. We don't fight that fast until double blue. This is what we're doing. Is that you on the coin. Sometimes it's just not good. You know? Okay, we just need to defend, so let me say. Frick. You know what? I think that's all we need. No, actually, we need that. Yeah. Okay, is this where we kind of push? So can we do that?
Bruh.
What is this meta? We got Mega Knight, Bar Barrel Log, Wizard, Executioner. Literally everything. The whole entire world right now. He's like, sorry. Okay, we're doing the 3. I don't know. What is this? Okay, next game.
Best shot is the beginning.
Yeah, nah, double in the beginning is the next. Okay, this is not that bad. Wait, we actually perfect. This is actually Is the insert? Stop. So guys,
There's
I realized
no way.
my screen recording cut off. But the second game we play, we win.
That's crazy. There's no way.
As soon as my screen recording cuts off, we win. So me and my brother are just gonna like re-say what we were saying, because this is crazy. So right now I'm like, bro, a level 5 wizard, like what the level 5 wizard.
These guys had to be the worst players, so this is their best chance to win.
Yeah. I was like, frick. And then they were like, oh shoot. Energy was like, no, we lost.
I was already saying we're lost.
Yeah, I know. And then I was like, nah. Okay, so we get a little value off of the Firecracker. Firecracker gets value. We can lure the P.E.K.K.A for days. Baby dragon dies. Let's go. We got some damage right here. Nice. Kill that. We have 4 firecrackers at the tower. Boom. Bing. Pang. Boom. Let's go. We get a bunch of damage off of that. They place barbs. Me and Urdu are just like, let's just play 2 firecrackers and Dark Prince, so that's like a lot of value. Then we play some spirits. Boom. It's gone. And at this point we're like, wait, maybe we win. So the firecrackers both shoot. Boom. Hits the tower. We get a lot of damage. Me and him are like, wait, we might win this. We might win this. And we just lure the mini P.E.K.K.A because we have a bunch of spirits. Boom. We do this. We do 2 firecracks. It's gone. This level 5 wizard can't one-shot a spirit. Like, this is not just embarrassing. We have 2 firecrackers at the tower. Going at the tower, we double clone. Plays Valkyrie, which kind of sucks. But then it destroys the Valkyrie and those 2. And the firecracker decides to help. And then we have a giant, and we easily counter with freeze. And yeah, I don't think it gets a hit. Yeah. Then we have 2 baby dragons over here. I freeze. Then we also get value off of the firecrackers helping out. Look at those firecrackers. They do a lot of damage from the bats, which is sad, but then they get destroyed. We're not that far behind. And then we do clone. Double clone. Then we don't know what to do with those hogs, so we just do some spirits at it. And then those firecrackers are still alive, so we're like, let's go. And then we get a bunch of damage, a bunch of value right here. We use spirits to protect the firecrackers. They do that. That's a mistake. Look at that. Then we destroy that baby dragon. We clone it one more time. We destroy that. Boom. We destroy that. And then we do so much damage on this. And then we're 1 hit away. Royal Hogs at our tower. We're literally like freaking stressing out right now. We're like, we're about to die. They place a giant. Look at our health. And then we're like, wait, maybe we lose this because, like maybe they break through and we can't. So we just keep on defending. Luckily, it doesn't get a hit. And then they rock it. And then
There was just no way. There's just no way. But we got paired up with the worst people, so
yeah,
that's the only reason we won.
Yep.
Low level cards.
But guys, I challenge you to freaking play this deck and try to win with it. It'll literally take you like 10 matches. Like the least is 10 matches. Yeah, maybe I'll do another of these videos if you guys enjoy it. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Bye guys.